Venda is a land of mystery, of magic, of sacred places, of incredible art, culture, warm, friendly people. And I know that all of that would combine in the background to complement each other and create a special experience for all the people involved. So the very basic nature of this walk is extremely nutrient rich, and it's a process actually that takes time to digest, to integrate, to absorb and provide nutrition for the body, mind-body, for the psyche, for the soul. And I hope in a way that it gives energy to the spirit. For me, meditation really is about consciousness. And it's about altering consciousness naturally.
It's all about exploring, meeting new people, meeting new environment, connecting with the spirit, connecting with the environment. I think that is a very important aspect.
There's the traditional African greeting, there's formalities to go through, and really getting the welcoming message from the chief in each village that please join us, make yourself at home. So we did things in the right way. We came with permission and we're given a blessing at each and every camp.
Special thanks, Daphne and Alpheus, and to you just for going out of your way to make us feel comfortable.
It benefits community because you sleep in the houses in communities and you eat food which are prepared by communities. And all those, we pay to them so that at the end they must realize that tourism is benefiting them.
Because of your generosity, there was this huge connection of the heart with me. So thank you really.
We were all gaining something of a non-material nature that we will materially benefit from long after the walk. So there's been a wonderful symbiosis of meeting up with people who are incredibly poor materially, but somehow are so rich in the things that money can't buy.